Hi guys, it's Daddy and JJ from JJ TV. So yeah, still on the 1st of January, and we've got one more quick video for you that we're going to show you. In the last video, JJ did the unboxing of the Starter Kit Pro from SnakeByte for the Nintendo Switch, and one of the things that came inside that box was a glass protector. Now, well, a screen protector even. Now, it's a proper glass protector, nice and solid. Not like the little flimsy ones that you get. So like what we were going to do was we were going to do a quick video just to show you how we would stick this onto the Nintendo Switch. So we're going to end this video, flip it around to the camera on the table. Actually, yeah, just like this.
That won't work, Asney.
My name's not Asney, my name's Daddy. Okay, so can you see us? Well, you can't see us, but you can see our little table there anyway. So we've got the Nintendo Switch here,
cloth and
it came with a cloth here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to give the screen a quick little wipe because
and guys, I've moved the little like tabs because I didn't really like them when I played the game. It's just like give me like holes in my like, you know when you put
these little Joy-Con tabs. Anyway, we'll come back to that later on because we've already reviewed that, Jay. So, alright, so I'm just going to give the screen a quick clean down. Make sure there's no little dirt or grime or anything on there.
Yep.
Because we have had the Switch for a while and it's been all around the world with us so far. So,
not all around the world, only Dominican Republic.
Okay, so right, we've given it a bit of a clean. Just make sure it's nice and clean there. Yeah, happy with that. Got the screen protector here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to offer up the screen protector onto the Switch just to see how well it sits. So it's going to go round like this.
Oh, have you got no, you haven't pulled the appliance.
I haven't yet. I'm just checking to see how well it fits on there. Okay, so good. Happy with that. So we're going to peel back. Step one is to peel back the mask on the application on the back. So we'll peel that back like that.
And that is very sticky. So like,
and what we'll do is we will try and get it just right there like that. Make sure it covers the two little holes at the top.
Are you doing it right?
Yeah. Drop it down. What we're trying to do is push all the air out of it so we get a really nice fit.
That's what I try and do too, Dad. But it never works. Always like little like air holes.
Yeah, no, it's not the easiest of things to fit. There's a local shop round where I asked, Computer Alliance. Now those guys know how to fit these glass covers. You know, within seconds they get it really right. Well, do you know what? I ain't even gonna lie. I think apart from that one tiny little dust dot on the bottom, that is a pretty damn good fit. Give it a quick little wipe on the top there.
Then should we turn it on?
We'll just show the viewers that, look, you can't even tell it's on there, you see? You can't even tell it's on there, but it is on there. Nice, really nice glass protect that is. So, Jay, if you just switch it on, you switch it on, we'll see if it made any difference to the...
No.
Not a single difference to the view of the screen. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. So, again...
It's just like a little nail, isn't it?
Yeah, we gave the starter kit from SnakeByte a 8 out of 10, and I think we just need to change that now to a 9 out of 10. Only reason I've given it not a 10,
it a 10
because we didn't get anything to squeegee this on with. So,
I'll get a 10.
Don't know if you can see me there, guys. And JJ, we'll set the camera up on a tripod, so we'll kneel down like that. But super happy, super happy with this cover, and hopefully, you know, it will protect JJ's Switch from getting scratched and damaged. So, thumbs up, well done, SnakeByte. Love the product. Boo. See you next time.
Shout out to SnakeByte.
If you like our video, subscribe, comment below, and you know,
one more thing.
Help us grow.
Bye bye.
What? One more thing.
Shout out to SnakeByte.
Shout out to SnakeByte. Great product. Great German company building some great products for the Nintendo Switch. We'll lift this up so you can see us. So guys, yep. So until the next time, it's over and out from Daddy. And it's over and out from
JJ.
Bye bye.